Hi guys! So 2 months ago, Borg and I woke up wanted to grow our own vegetables, and today is the first time we'll vlog about it. So take note that we are in no way experts and we still have so much to learn about gardening. Now, let us tour you around our little balcony and rooftop garden. First is our seedling tray where we plant most of our seedlings before transplanting them. Now here are some of our tools. Now over here are our 2 tomato plants that actually we are kind of having a bit of struggle growing. If you have growing tomato tips, kinda let us know. Now over here are our 3 okra plants. And if you could look very closely, you could see little okras already. Next to our okra plants are our kale plants. We actually have more kale plants at the rooftop. Now here are our basil and some of our parsley. Now let's go to the rooftop. We made a net protection for our plants because we noticed birds are digging on our pots, maybe to look for food. So here are our Pechay plants and then some seedlings, lettuce, more kale, and then new transplanted lettuce, seedling, newly transplanted pechay, newly transplanted kale. Then here are arugulas, then another pechay, and then those are 2-month-old arugulas, and then here are the lettuce that are ready for harvest. Now it's time to harvest our first ever pechay on our rooftop garden. So I'll be needing a little shovel so that it will be easier for me to pull out the pechays. So if you notice, the leaves are a little bit smaller and a little bit thinner than the ones at the groceries. I think because we had a lot of bloopers, we had a lot of mistakes while starting our garden 2 months ago. So maybe we'll talk about it next time. Also, I just want to mention that we are only using natural fertilizers like vermicast and fermented plant juice as foliar spray. Time to harvest our lettuce. So this is actually the mini romaine lettuce variety. That's why it's kind of small. Show you how I wash my vegetables. So I just wash it with running water, and then in a bowl I fill it up with water, and most of the time I use baking soda, but just in time for this video, I ran out of baking soda, so I just add salt as advised by Dr. Gregor. And then I will just soak my vegetables in there and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. And then I just want to pat my vegetables dry before I store them in the refrigerator. But if I'll be using them right after, I don't have to dry them thoroughly. And then here, I'll just store it using a container right before I put it in the ref. Again, we are no experts and would love to hear your tips on how to grow vegetables better. Toodles!